You're so cute. Are you coming for me? Mommy, I asked them who wanted to be a superstar, and they came forward, so I took pictures of them, and I'd be like, I'll put you on fake Instagram. They're everywhere.
Okay, I'm gonna...
Famous, just come over here. Be famous. You're famous now. Do they have names? Or is it hard to tell them apart?
It's hard to tell them apart. This one's Nova because her tail feathers are just coming in, and she's the littlest one.
Hi, baby. Hey, baby.
Booger, ew, come on.
Baby, look at.
They're not gonna get out right now.
Look at them. They're so cute. Aww. They're almost as cute as you, Brie. Aww.
Oh, poop dropping.